Welcome to our channel. The Frontier streaming app brings entertainment directly to your smart TV, offering access to live channels and on-demand content. Follow these steps to activate the app on your device. Step 1. Power on your smart TV and use your remote to access the App Store or content marketplace specific to your TV brand. Step 2. Search for Frontier TV or Frontier Streaming in the App Store search bar. Make sure you're selecting the official Frontier application. Step 3. Download and install the Frontier app on your smart TV. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection speed. Step 4. Launch the Frontier app once installation is complete. You'll see a welcome screen with sign-in options. Step 5. Select the Activate or Sign In option. The app will generate a unique activation code displayed prominently on your TV screen. Step 6. Keep the TV screen showing the activation code and grab a smartphone, tablet, or computer to complete the next steps. Step 7. Visit the activation website shown on your TV screen, typically something like frontier.com, activate, and enter the activation code exactly as displayed. Step 8. Log in with your Frontier account credentials when prompted. After successful authentication, your smart TV app will refresh automatically, and you'll gain access to all your subscribed channels and content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.